That guy just drove by, I missed it. He waved anyway. They know better. Well, there's one cop there that needs a little ruffle his feathers a little bit more and see if I can find out where he's at. He's the Montague detachment here in Prince Edward Island. That cops with a little bit of attitude that needs to be readjusted. Well, I readjusted it for him. That's free info, free education. Here's my cousin Butch's house over here. And I'm coming back home. Coming back home to my wife. My Las Vegas wife. I married this woman in Las Vegas. It was awesome. I have some pictures and stuff. I'll put stuff up later. Here's my brother-in-law's house. He needs a different type of driveway, but looks of it, this is his front yard, and he uses his front as a friggin' parking spot. My mother's down there. That's where I was basically born. I was 2 years old moving in there. My godmother's house, and now it's her sister's, or her daughter's house now, my wife. And the son lives right next to us. He's attached to us here. He's got a little baby girl. So, yeah. And she likes her she likes her sunflowers, this one. We got a lot of work to do here in this spot. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys something else before it gets dark. My little trailer I use. You should put my firewood in there. I got a messy backyard kind of too. It's not as bad as the other guy though. But here's my quad. Here's what I use to go in the back of the woods. This is the cat's meow, boy. This is the cat's meow. You don't need much. Oh yeah, this is mine and my wife's toy Jeep. I'll show it off more when it's. And then I got two little kid Jeeps up here. Need some fixing. One there little kids fit in those two army Jeeps. But I'll show you guys. Yeah, this is my beast. I didn't even take this thing full power yet. I'm too old. I didn't realize that this thing had that much power. But there you go, folks. I'll upload that and we'll be chit-chatting.